Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Print tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu. Print tab. We can select number of copies. We can select printer from the list. Add printer. And print to file. Under Settings, we can print active sheets, print entire workbook, and print selection. Also, we can ignore print area. We can provide pages from and to. We can go for collated, that is printing entire documents in sets, or uncollated printing, that is printing each pages in sets. We can select orientation, that is portrait or landscape. We can select the page size from the list, or define custom page size by clicking on More Paper Sizes. We can select margins from the list, or define custom margins by clicking on Custom Margins. We can set scaling options, that is, no scaling, fit sheet on one page, fit all columns on one page, fit all rows on one page. Also, we can use custom scaling options. After changing settings as per requirement, click on Print button to print the document. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy eBook on Microsoft Excel interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.